Good morning, students. Today we will solve question number 2 of exercise 8.3. Question number 2 says Kamla borrowed rupees 26,400 from a bank to buy a scooter at the rate 15% per annum compounded yearly. Kamla, one lady who took loan or borrowed from the bank. How much amount? 26,400, which is our principal. To buy a scooter. For buying a scooter at the rate of 15% per annum, which is compounded yearly, that is annually. This is our rate of interest, 15%. Now look, moving further. What amount will she pay at the end of 2 years and 4 months to clear the loan? We have to find the amount, that is A, for 2 years and 4 months to clear the loan. Students, this question is similar to question number 1, I think part B. It is similar to part B of question number 1. They have given us the hint. Find amount for 2 years with interest is compounded yearly, and then simple interest on second year's amount for 4 by 12 years. This hint is similar which we have solved for question number 1 in part B. What we will do? We will find amount for 2 years, and whatever the amount will come, we will take amount and find that amount and find the simple interest for remaining 4 by 12 months. That is the hint which they have given us. So let us start. Since it is compounded yearly, our formula will be A is equal to P into 1 plus R divided by 100. If it was half yearly, it will be 2 into 100, and here it is T. If it is half yearly, 2 into 100, and here 2T. Principal is how much? Rupees 26,400. Rate of interest is equal to 15%, and year, that is T, is equal to 2 years. First we will calculate. Remaining 4 months we will calculate as simple interest on the amount which we get. So we will finally get the total amount. So let us solve. Amount is equal to P is 26,400 multiplied by 1 plus R is 15 divided by 100 into 2. So calculating, we will get, moving further, we will get 26,400 multiplied by, I am taking LCM. While taking LCM, I will get 100 plus 15 whole raised to power 2. So it will be A is equal to 26,400 multiplied by 115 divided by 100. Two zeros will cancel out. So I will not cancel out right now because it is in square. So I will keep it as it is. Then I will write 26,400 multiplied by 115 into 100 into 115 into 100. Now 2 zeros from here and 2 zeros of this will be cancelled out. So our remaining amount will be 264 multiplied by 115 into 115 whole divided by 100. You can further divide 2 1s are, 2 3s are, and 2 2s are. That is 132. Wait a minute. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, and 2 2s are 4. And this will be 2 50s are 100. Again, they will be cancelled out. But let me first write down 132 into 115 into 115 whole divided by 50. Again they will be cancelling out with 2's table. So 2 into 25, 2 6 are 12, and 2 6 are 12. So I will get 66 into 115 into 115 divided by 25. Again you can see 5 5s are 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are and 5 23s are. So you will get 66 into 23 into 23. Finally that you are supposed to multiply. When you will multiply it, you will get amount is equal to rupees 34,940. This is the amount which I have got, but not the final amount, because this amount I will take it as the principal of the simple interest. Now simple interest on rupees 34,914. We will calculate. SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. P is now 34,914. Rate of interest is 15. Multiply by T is 4 months. 4 months out of how many months? 12 months. That is why they have given us in the hint 4 by 12. And 100 multiply. Here 4 1s are 4 25s are will cancel out. Again 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Again for calculating 5 1s are and 5 5s are. So let us write whatever we have got is equal to 34,114 into 1 will give me that only, and 5 4s will be 20, and 20 I can write it as 2 divided by 10, 2 into 10. 5 4s is 20, so 20 I can write 2 into 10. Now dividing with 2 we will get 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10 and 2 7s are 14. So we will get our answer as 17,457 divided by 10. This division of 10, it can be written as 1745.7. So this is our simple interest which we got on the amount. So our final amount will be, we will write total amount is equal to rupees, what was the first amount, 34,914 plus 1,754.7, and that will be 36,659.70. Let me calculate. 7449 this will be, wait a minute, let me calculate. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14. Here it is 45. That is my mistake. So it will be 1745.7. So 5 plus 4 will be 9. 4 plus 1 will be 5. 7 plus 9 will be 16. Okay, this is the final answer. So the amount is, total amount is 36,659.70. Hope you have understood this question. If not, please go through it once more so that you can understand it properly. This exercise is very important. Hope you will go through it once more. We will meet with new videos in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.